Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail not opening. So if Gmail won't open on your phone or computer, here's what you can do to fix it. So first, check your internet connection, open settings, then go to Wi-Fi and check or double check if you're connected to a stable connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Then try opening another website or app to make sure you're connected. Next, if you're using the Gmail app, first close it. So swipe it up and swipe it away and open it again. You can also restart your phone to clear temporary glitches and check if that solves the problem. Next is to update the Gmail app from your device's App Store or Play Store. So open App Store or Play Store and search for Gmail. So open Gmail and install it to the latest version. Then once updated, open it and see if that works. Now finally check if Gmail is experiencing a temporary outage. So if Google servers are having issues, you'll need to wait until the service is restored. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.